Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a progression, there you go, of paintings I've been working on, and I kind of want to give you all an update. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe as well, I'd really appreciate that. So I'm going to show 4 paintings. Originally, I had shown a boatload, like 6, I think. But there have been 4 primary ones I've been kind of focused on. And 2 of them, well actually one of them is from an event, but this one I'm about to show you is not. It's a Dreamer design painting called Tulips Galore. This is the painting I gave a story that I originally thought I accidentally threw it away, and then I found it because I don't know why I threw it. I thought I threw it away. And I kind of made more progress. I finally did finish the vase. I really wanted to do that, and I finished this little flower here. What I actually started doing, and I actually started doing it in a lot of my other paintings, I decided to get into the habit of doing more of the background before I start focusing in the middle. So as you can probably see, a lot of this white was completed here as well. And on this side, this white section here, which is part of the background with the leaves, is included as well. Let me pick up the plastic real quick. Keep moving it. Sorry about that. And there we go. I usually leave the plastic because, as you can probably see, all of this up here isn't completed yet, and I kind of don't want a bunch of dirt, cat hair, everything you can think of ending up on my painting. And I'm just real happy I was able to finish this pink one and this section here. What surprised me a lot when I was working on this little background color is this area. Now, I don't know why this section here, and it continues up to here, it's not a flower or anything, it's just part of the background. It's all AB. As you can probably see, I'm checking if the camera can kind of show some of the shine on this more white part. This little area is all AB, which I am not too sure why this is really focused on AB. I'm curious though, once I complete further of the painting, maybe in my contrast with the rest of the flowers, I confirmed with the image of the painting because I thought, oh, maybe I'm mistaking it for a different color. No, it is the AB color. So I think this is going to get interesting once I've already finished this section here. And I'll make sure to put an update for this. And I need to make sure to put more washi tape on the edge. But I am really loving how this painting's coming up. And I'll make sure, as I said, to give you more progression as well. If not next week, probably the week after. Because since I'm working on so many paintings, I just want to be able to get ahead just a little bit, so I can give you all updates. So that's one painting. I'm going to put it aside real quick. Sorry that I'm moving off camera. I'm sorry, away from the microphone. And it's the next painting. So this painting is the one I've been doing for the AB's in August event, which is coming already to an end. Which, unfortunately, the event did not require a finish. So they just need a new start, give progress photos, and, you know, just updating that the painting's being worked on. I really wish I had gone close to the halfway point, but as you can probably see, I still have so much to fill in, and a lot of it is color blocking. And of all the paintings I'm working on, this is my largest. So this one is a 20 by 29 inch. And just in case, this painting is called Warm Witch, and I bought it through a Diamond Art Club. And I really do love this. And the requirement was that the painting had to have at least 4 ABs. And I need to complete the exit form since I said the event is about to finish. It asks the question, how many ABs have you placed? And honestly, I've only placed 1, which is this little white section on the teapot. You can probably see the AB a little bit if I move it a bit. It's a lot of shine, which is interesting because I kind of have a hard time seeing ABs because, as you can see, all the shine that's on the paintings, that's just how the diamonds are. That's Diamond Art Club for you. Their diamonds always have a lot of shine. My other Diamond Art Clubs I've completed also have this wonderful shine as well. So that's why I have such a difficult time seeing the ABs on it. But it's It's a lighter tone. I believe it's a white color. So once I've already placed the others, which are a little further up section, it's part of the magic that the witch is doing to hold her book and all of that. So that's a majority AB, which is kind of closer to the top of the painting. Since I haven't hit that part, I've only placed one AB. Unless I skip ahead and just put those ABs. But I haven't figured it out yet because I'd have to unroll a lot of the painting. I don't know. I've been thinking about that. Just moving ahead to kind of little sections I want to complete that I want to see. And then go ahead and do the rest of the color blocking. But I think I might slow myself down if I do that. But I'll figure it out another time. But I do love how this painting is coming out. And even though there's a lot of browns, there's a lot of dark tones, it's so pretty and it's working really, really well together. And I'm just so excited to finish this. And this painting, even after, since the event's going to finish, I am going to make sure to finish it. I'm really going to work on it in September. As I said, I do have an event, 2 events actually. I'm going to do in September, but one of them it's going to be a smaller paint. Well, actually, both of them are kind of small paintings, so it shouldn't take me long to kind of finish those. But this one, I am going to try to complete it. Hopefully, I can finish it at the end of September, so I can actually put it on my wall. Because for me, this is more of a fall painting moving forward. So I'm going to make sure I can complete it. Sorry about that. I'm just putting the plastic back. I really do love the shine on these diamonds. And this is my next painting. Now this painting was actually my first square painting I had to do. Oh my goodness. It's going to look so bad. So you can probably see a little bit of the, what's the wording I can find? I guess progression, update. I'm not too sure how to word it. But when I first started on this corner, and oh my goodness, this is just so bad. I hadn't known how to place squares and all of that, but I really wanted to work on this painting. And I thought, oh, I assumed rounds were the first type of diamonds I started with, so I assumed, no, it's kind of the same thing. You place them. No, I later down the line found out squares are a whole different ball game on placement, for me anyway. But I've seen other diamond painters explain it as well. It's a little different how you have to place them. This painting is called Yarn Crafter's Delight by Hayes Hillel Art, and it is a Bella Art and Nicole painting. I bought this since it was first when I saw, well, the yarn. And I saw this in a teacup. I knew I had to have it. I just love this painting. And of course it has these wonderful pastel colors, so I'm a big fan of it. And the progression I kind of did on this is I completed a lot of the background color, and I completed part of these scissors, as you can see, with this little darning needle, I believe that's the term. And you'll start seeing this is the little, I believe this is the little tea tag for the tea bag. Oh, no, it's not. Apologies. This is, what section is this? Because the little tea tag is around this section here in the white. Huh. I actually can't tell what this is, but it has a majority of the AB. As you can probably see here on the white. I really love how it's coming out. I'm a big fan of it. And I love Bella Art squares. I really do. I love the shine, and they are so relaxing the place. Hopefully I can, that's probably the best way I can explain it. I have no issues placing them, anything like that. They feel real soft whenever I place them. And I've said it before. I believe when I showed this painting in one of my other progression videos. But I do love their squares, and they're so relaxing. And I know I'll probably have to fix it up a bit, because you can probably see some of the gapping. As I said, this was my beginning section. It was around here, this pink here. Excuse me. You can see a lot of the gapping. And that's on me. That's kind of my fault, because like I said, that's where I started. So my square placement was horrendous when I started. On this area, you can actually see it's a little bit better. This is once I've already got used to placing squares, since I've been working on another Diamond Art Club painting that's a square painting. I got real comfortable placing. The gapping though, I will have to fix it. I'm not too sure if it's the painting itself, but I am going to try to see if I can close the gapping a little bit. I just always make sure that the diamonds are lining up perfectly in the square part of the drill field. So I'll have to fix that. I think I might have to maybe push them in a bit, but I'm not too sure. I'll have to look up how to fix that. But lo and behold, I still love how this painting's coming out. And this one as well, I'm making sure to complete all of the background color. And it's not all white. I'm sorry, it's not white. So that's why I haven't been getting, excuse me, a little kind of feeling a little tedious on doing a lot of the color blocking colors, because they're all different colors. They're different purples. On the top section of this painting, it's going to be blue. So I'm really excited when I hit that section. And once I complete all the background, I'll get on to the main focus of it, which is our wonderful yarn balls and teacup, which I'm real excited about. So, and for all these paintings, I'll make sure to put information below, just in case you're interested in maybe purchasing one or two of these paintings, or just to see what else the companies offer as well. And finally, the last painting, sorry I moved away again, is one of my PR paintings, and this is with diamondpainting.uk. I showed a progress of this one of my last progress videos. I'm gonna have to lift this up a bit, it's a little bigger. It's that wonderful little river with a bridge and little cherry blossom trees on the side with the white sky. And let me put this real quick. I kind of progressed a bit. I finished this area and I progressed this section actually today because I was working it earlier. I really love how this painting is coming out, and I love the diamonds. I love the placement. I'm just falling in love with this painting, and there is confetti everywhere. There's confetti on this section at the bottom a bit. This section I finished today, oh my goodness, it's a lot more confetti than I thought, but the final result is just gorgeous. And the way it's looking on camera, as you can probably see, that's how it looks in person. It's real clear. And I think that's why I'm falling in love with this painting every time I'm working on it. I do want to already get to the point of the bridge. But as you've seen already, I'm working on so many paintings. I'm slowly making progress. But this one is 50 by 40. So it's probably, yeah, it is the smallest of the three paintings I showed. So this one I might be able to finish earlier. And today I'm going to continue on with this painting, because I'm going to see if I can probably try to finish this whole section, hopefully by the end of the week. If I do, I'll make sure to kind of put up a community picture. Post a picture on the community tab, just to kind of update you all, because I am just loving how this painting is coming out. And again, this was a PR painting that was sent to me that I was able to select, and I am so glad I picked this picture. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. I just wanted to give you all progress, just to update you all, because I had said I want to give more progress videos, mostly because I showed a lot of these paintings probably 2 weeks ago, I believe. So I just want to keep you all updated in the loop on what's going on. And as I said, I'm going to have 2 events coming up in September, and I'm going to make sure to kind of do kit up videos and startup videos for those as well. Again, just to keep you all in the loop. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps my channel to be put out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful paintings we all love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.